Hello humans, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be showing you how to port an FNF mod to my Scratch engine. Go to the song you want, then after it's started, press 7, then go to the song tab, then press save. Or you can go to the data folder of that mod, then go to assets. On most Psych Engine mods, you have to go in the mods folder, then go to assets, then go to data. In Kate Engine, it's all like this. In Psych Engine, it's all the other way. So I'd recommend you put the hard chart into it. Then after you click on it, it gives you the information you need. The speed on normal FNF is not the same as the speed on the Scratch port, so 2.80 would be around 4.9 or 4.8. Then after you put all the information in, you make a new list, then you import the chart you just downloaded into that list. So it should be either in your downloads folder or your documents folder. After that, you combine the instrumental and voices into one audio file, if possible, and you call it the song name, then underscore instrumental. And if that isn't possible, just have it be the same two audio files and have one play the instrumental and one just be the voices. Why I say combine them is because that saves some file space. After you do that, you kind of gotta listen to the last part of the song to kind of guess what the beats before ending is. So for this one, yeah, a 3 would be fine. And also, the beats before ending is from the last, like, note, not from the last cold note, so if you import a song like Faker or whatever, you'll have to add a couple extra beats before ending. And to add custom characters, it's pretty simple. You just duplicate this sprite, then just change the character that's checking. I'm just gonna name it example, and there's a few things you gotta put that into. Then after that, I would recommend you go to Funkipedia, then search for the mod that you're trying to import. Then click on the character pose you're importing, then right click it, then download it. So it's not all low resolution, because just right clicking on it will give you a really low resolution version of it. After that, you should have a poses script that looks like this. It's under the text for aim. Have a repeating thing that repeats how many costumes each pose has. And after that, you gotta do the idle, so check what is the last costume. Depending on how many costumes there are, you want to reduce this wait time or increase it. So 2.2 beats is chosen because there's not really that many changes in the pose. There's only 2 costumes for it. And if you want to add a custom BF, I haven't done it before myself, but I think I know how to do it. Make a check with that. If player 1 equals so-and-so, then have the offset be different than it would be otherwise. So I'm pretty sure the default is 13. Then after that, you have to just have the poses you're importing to be 2 costumes. It can't be left, down, up, right. It has to be the same order that this is. So down, left, right, up. It's kind of weird. So you add the misses first. Then there's only 4 idles. So you have to delete any extra frames. And if you don't want camera movement in your song, just add it to the blocked songs list. And if you want the motion to be reduced, add it to reduced songs. And now I'm going to show you an example of a custom song.
2, 1, go! What's wrong, Beefy? I'm only just a little hungry.
How did I lose my combo? Now should I actually make this into a real port? The songs in this week are really fun to play. But there's no hold notes in most of them for some reason. Because it didn't convert properly, because the chart isn't normal. I wonder if I'll be able to get 300,000 again. It's really off sync for some reason. I think I could fix that sort of thing, just having like an offset variable that makes the chart have a slightly different time depending on what your offset is. And before I made it like wait a certain amount of time, that doesn't work because I was like, oh yeah, it can't wait -seconds. That's just gonna be a 0. Yeah, I did a lot better this time. And also, if you want to find my engine template project, then my username is Chuckylee. It's this one. After you're done importing everything, you can just remove all of the data that isn't needed. You're gonna remove all this stuff, like the custom scripts and things that mention songs that aren't going to be in the list. Remove the engine template songs out of the song list. The high scores will probably be kind of weird after that, so to reset it, press 3, then just say yes. I will probably make a engine template that's just tutorial. I'll link it in the description. Well, this should be about it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see another video. Bye.